So just showing the guys the options for their naming that's been coming through on the old Facebook thread. And this is the new guy learning the keyboard. This one's Chucky. Chucky's already named. Chucky, Chucky, Chuck, Chuck, Chucky. Yeah, well, what do you think of that? He reckons Howard. I do really quite like Duck Norris. What you doing? What you reckon? Huh? Oh, hello. Tripping over my little feet, tripping over my fingers. Wanting to type. Let's just attack the blanket instead. So, thanks for your name options and suggestions, guys. We're still looking for a name for this little fella. So this one's Chucky. And remember, Mum and Dad are called Lucky and Plucky. So who's this going to be? Let us know your thoughts. See you later.